And we're back here at your one free weekly stock recap show. And this is a special edition. I'm super excited to get into it today. We're going to play a little game called Crypto Stocks Hot or Not. And first, super important disclaimer here. These videos are all intended for educational purposes only. Trade at your own risk. 9 out of 10 traders lose money. 1 in 3 traders loses 90% or more. There's no guarantee you're going to make money with this strategy or any other strategy. Don't risk money you can't afford to lose. The results are not typical. We got high, fly, ball, and it is out of here. Going to get right into the first chart. And actually, this one was off the wall. VIRT. This looks kind of like a downtrend on the daily chart. I guess it could have double bottomed at 17, but we'll see how it does this week. Overall, the financials don't look terrible, but this technically, I guess, would be like a bear rally pattern. And we're expecting this to fall more. Okay, so we gave it a not rating. Now let's get into RIOT platforms. It could go. And it's out of here. So this has been on a crazy tear. It is hot, I would say. I would say it is definitely hot. Let's get that flamethrower going. Mara, this is not so hot. It's been pretty flat over the last few months, and it just doesn't have me all that excited. CIFR, on the other hand, is hot, and I would call this an uptrend on the daily chart. It's also up 351% year to date, which is definitely got to land it in the hot category. APLD, this has been on a tear the last week, up 197% last week as well. But not too excited here. Okay, it's just looks pretty flat. Financials don't look terrible, but I couldn't really find too much on their balance sheet here, so I just labeled it a not. TIGR also not so hot. It's red on the week, the month, the year to date. Okay. HIVE, we're going to also call that not so hot. Okay. HIVE blockchain. This, just doesn't have me all that excited. I don't know why. CLSK, on the other hand, though, is kind of settling out above the longer-term moving averages here. So we did give this one a hot. BTBT, similarly, it looks like it's uptrending on the daily chart. It looks like it's above all the longer-term moving averages, which we like to see because those can offer some support technically sometimes. Okay. So that's BTBT. WULF is another one that we're going to actually give a hot, even though it's not having the best May so far. It is technically still an uptrend on the daily chart, so we gave it a hot. IREN, similarly, we're going to give this a hot too because it does look like it's settling out above the longer period moving averages. Okay, so we're going to watch this $3.50 level as support here, and hopefully that holds. SDIG, SDIG, this does not look all that great. Kind of could be a downtrend, and it's below all the moving averages. So we went ahead and labeled it as not hot. Okay. HGBL, on the other hand, is hot. It's got all the characteristics of a breakout pattern that's starting, so that's good. Let's see if these levels can hold and it can keep trending higher. SAI is not looking so hot. Okay, this just is below all the moving averages. It just doesn't look great technically speaking. I guess the price per earnings is pretty low, but it's such a small company that I just can't get excited about it. Okay. BITF is the next one. Bitfarms Ltd, capital markets out of Canada, and this just doesn't have me all that excited either. It's only a little bit above the moving averages, so like I'm just not too excited about it. Next is ARBK, Argo blockchain out of the United Kingdom, and this really doesn't look like it's even got a beat here. It's looking like it's slowly bleeding off, but we'll see if we can turn it around. We did have to give it a nod, though, just because the technicals don't look all that great. And that's it for this crypto stock recap show. The next hot or not is going to be the energy stocks, which I'm also super excited about. I can't wait to film that video. And if you had any questions, I know I went through this pretty fast, but if you have any questions about this video or comments, just leave them below. Or other hot trends that you want similar videos like this hot or not made, then just go ahead and post those trends you're looking for. Okay. And that's it for this stock recap show. If you are interested in accelerating your trade knowledge, you can schedule a call at fridaytraders.com. This is one of the most valuable skills that you could possibly acquire, and it can change everything for you if you just give it a chance. We have 7-day free trials with our education and 30-day free trials with our alerts as well. And this one call could really change the entire game for you. So if you are looking to become that world-class trader and you want to surround yourself with the absolute best traders in the business, I know it can be incredibly painful and frustrating, especially if you're a beginner or intermediate trader who doesn't have it all quite figured out yet. There is an easier way to accelerate your knowledge and trade profits. Schedule this strategy session at fridaytraders.com, and an expert member of my team will be happy to assist you in becoming the world-class trader that you've always wanted to become. You can change it all right now by scheduling this call today. Don't hesitate. Do it right now before you forget. And I'll see you in the next video. See you then.